This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. Sweet and affordable one-level living with water view near bases, beaches, shopping and interstate. Many items replaced in 2012 when the current owner purchased: HVAC, refrigerator, carpet and windows. New paint in great room which has a wonderful view of the pond and trees as well as the master bedroom. Large deck off the great room with plenty of room to spread out to dine and relax. Tranquility awaits. For more information, review the details below.